Hello everyone, my name is Deevith and I'm from Triple E branch. My topic is about a smart water bottle. The introduction is it is technology in smart water bottles. Most smart water bottles use some types of software that allows you bottle to connect to a phone app. At the basic level, a phone app can usually track the amount of water you have consumed. These bottles are made up of steels and no plastics. This is mainly designed to make awareness of water consumption, promote healthy hydration, and this is the prototype of the smart water bottle. And the advantages are it contains battery sensor and other connectivity features. It helps us to remain to drink water. It shows the temperature and water level. Bottles are made from steel and it's eco-friendly. Bottle contain long battery life and it's rechargeable. Thank you.